you clean that one off for Daddy?
Right there. Pull it on there.
We'll clean it off first.
Clean it off first.
No, just can't. Yeah, that's the way.
Take a bite. Daddy's cake.
He doesn't mind.
But take a Daddy cake. Daddy eat peanut butter cake.
You want to do? You want to decorate one for Uncle Mark?
Let's make it for Uncle Mark.
Okay.
Uncle Mark.
Here's another one.
Uncle Mark here. Uncle Mark here. Uncle Mark. Don't need it. Second for Uncle Mark. Butter cake, okay?
Okay.
So, honey. That's for Uncle Mark.
Oh, it's for Oh, that's for Uncle Mark or for Grandma?
Make some for Grandma.
Okay. Don't eat the candle. Okay. Uncle Mark doesn't get a birthday candle because it's not his birthday. Okay.
Uncle Mark's birthday. It's Uncle Mark's birthday.
Then he just gets a cupcake. It's Daddy's birthday.
Uncle Mark gets a cupcake.
Yeah, and you decorated it for him.
For Dad.
That's
That's
for Grandma.
for Grandma.
Want to do one for Grandma? Grandma gets a candle. Thank you.
Uncle Mark gets a cake. Cupcake. Uncle Mark.
Is that one for Uncle Mark too? Or
That's for Uncle Mark.
Which one's for Grandma?
Take Daddy cupcake.
You did. That's Grandma's cake.
Take Grandma's.
is this for Mommy?
It's for Mom.
Make Mommy one. Mommy's good.
Yeah, Mommy.
You want to put some fish
You want
on
to
it?
decorate it for Mommy?
Take this on there.
It's pretty. Like some sprinkles?
Like some fingers for Mommy. Like some fingers for Mommy.
Okay.
Like some fingers in cake. The candles on. Yeah, Mommy. Get candles.
There's a candle right there on the table. See? By the bowl.
I really so. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Uncle Mark. Now, my birthday. Put in my Mommy birthday cake.
You did. It looks great.
Put fish on it. Hi, Mommy. Hey, Mommy.
Mommy gets everything. Pretty.
That one's
Uncle Mark.
beautiful.
Got this one.
Uncle Mark has that one with the bites taken out of it.
No, wait for that.
Okay.
Grandma, put this one over here, okay? This is Mommy's.
This is for my.
You want to put... Oh, you going to blow the candle out? Okay, I'm sorry.
My fun for Grandma.
This is Daddy's.
Dad. Daddy.
It's Daddy's birthday.
I got it out.
You did.
Thank you.
Well, what's yours out, Grandma?
This is Daddy's. We'll wait till Daddy gets home, okay?
Those are for Daddy to blow out.
You want to put some sprinkles on all of these?
Having both your
Do you have enough in your bowl?
Okay.
Okay. Here you go. Put sprinkles on all of them. All over the cupcakes.
Come on.
You need more sprinkles? Okay, Grandma will get you some more.
Come on, pay, okay?
Okay, put them on the plate. Good job.
I do it myself.
Now we're just on the plate. Okay, move them to other places. Pretty. Over there, Smith.
Okay.
Okay, good job.
Want some more, Grandma?
That's all. It's empty. Sorry.
Okay, say one more last happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Show Daddy what you did. Say, here's Daddy's cake.
Hi, Daddy cake.
Look at Mommy.
Look
Say,
at-
that's Daddy's. Say, here's Daddy's cake, Mommy.
It's Daddy cake.
Look at Mommy.
Look at Mommy and say, happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Happy Daddy. Happy Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
I love you.